The file stream access denied error usually appears when ChatGPT or any connected app does not have permission to read, write, or stream files from the expected location. This can happen due to incorrect file paths, missing read or write permissions, restricted directories, or conflicts with the system security settings. To resolve this, make sure that the file path is correct, grant the application the proper permissions, and avoid restricted folders like system directories. And in most cases, running the app with the necessary privileges or adjusting the folder permission fixes the issue. So go ahead, open your device setting, and then you need to simply scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, scroll down and search for ChatGPT or use the search bar in the top right corner. Search for ChatGPT. Once you find the application, tap on it and then go to permissions. From here, make sure that you've given all the permissions to the app, including camera, microphone, notifications, location, photos and videos, contact, calendar, and everything that is available in this section. After this, scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. Also tap on clear data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And after the simple steps, check if the issue is resolved. Alternatively, you can access and use the ChatGPT through your web browser if the application is not working. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.